everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to collect rewards in hill climb racing. To collect rewards in hill climb racing, you'll need to claim daily rewards, complete daily missions, and perform well in races and events. First of all, launch open Hill Climb Racing game on your device, and once you're inside this main menu, go ahead and tap on the little checklist icon at the top right corner, and then you will be able to see the collect buttons in each cards. If you have any rewards to collect, you will see the collect button, tap on it, and you will be able to collect your rewards like that. Another way to collect rewards or get rewards is to complete simple daily missions. From the same daily missions tab, tap the start button to start a challenge. Now go ahead and complete through it, and you'll receive rewards immediately after you are done with the challenge or the missions. You can also receive rewards by watching ads. Whenever you see Get Rewards button with a video clip icon in it, tap on it to get bonus rewards by watching a short video. And there you have it. That is how you can easily receive rewards or collect rewards in hill climb racing. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.